Hello YouTubers, this is Dale from V-Town Villains, and we have a new dirt bike president. It was a hard battle, but we finally have a winner. Come on down, new president. It is Crash!
I would like to thank all my supporters on and off the dirt bike track. I will ensure that the dirt bike track will be a better place and funner for all riders.
Well, you heard it from Crash. Well, let's talk to Ricky Bobby, the hard loser.
Well, this kind of sucks. See, I was kind of hoping I would win, but I just decided to I honestly should have won. I thought we were doing at least 3 votes. I mean, that's how it usually is, but I mean, usually best one wins.